Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Netflix account password, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Netflix website. On the Netflix homepage, click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner. Once you reach the sign in page, look for the option that says Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password to begin the password reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Netflix account. Type in your email address and then click the Email Me button. Check your email inbox for a message from Netflix. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email from Netflix and look for the link that says Reset Your Password. Click on that link to navigate to the password reset. You will be prompted to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time in the designated field. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your password has been reset successfully. Return to the Netflix sign-in page. Now, enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. You are now successfully logged into your Netflix account with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.